Hi, my name is Joe Johnson and I'm going to talk about the AMS Wireless Snap-On. The AMS Wireless Snap-On is a Snap-on application available through AMS Device Manager. Three of the primary functionalities within the AMS Wireless Snap-On are the ability to plan a wireless network, monitor a live wireless network, and create reports based on data available from the wireless instruments communicating into the wireless Snap-on. The first step in setting up a smart wireless network is planning the network using the AMS Wireless Snap-On. The wireless planning tool allows you to import a JPEG or a bitmap image of your plant that allows you to drag and drop devices onto it to plan your wireless network. The first step is just to browse to the image that's available anywhere on your desktop. This image could be a JPEG or a bitmap image. Once I have the image of my plant imported into my wireless diagram, the next step is to drag and drop generic devices onto the diagram. These devices can represent a wireless gateway, any wireless HART device, or a wireless HART adapter. So to drag and drop the devices, I just click on the icons for the devices and drag them and drop them onto the screen. It allows me to name the devices and put a height for those devices. And then I would continue to click and drop devices onto my network until my network is complete. These devices should go into any location where there's a measurement necessary. The next step after I've got all of my devices dragged onto my diagram is to check the network layout. The red circles on the diagram tell me that these devices do not meet the Emerson design parameters. So it tells me that I need to add another device, move a device around to make it meet the design parameters. Now that your wireless network is designed, the next step is to monitor a live wireless network. We use the same tool for monitoring a live wireless network, but first we have to transition that network to a live network. So I go, transition, and choose the name of the gateway to enable the live network for that gateway. The first thing that you'll see are the icons change from the generic icons into the device icons inside of AMS Device Manager. Another thing that you'll see on that screen are the communication paths. This is as close as you're going to get to seeing a live mesh network. I can also enable network alerts for these devices to see the health of the individual devices. And I can also show which devices have wireless HART adapters on them. The live mode in the AMS Wireless Snap-On also allows you to do custom reporting. You can see on the main reporting screen that we've got different columns for information coming from the wireless devices. The main column that you see here is the status with the status icons. There are different status icons available for the diagnostics coming from the wireless HART devices. You can also add columns in there to add information to your report or remove columns. Another nice feature inside of here is it allows you to create custom reports based on things like battery voltage or update rate. What I'm doing now is just a quick custom query on battery life that's less than 8 volts. So now it sorts out all the different devices with a battery voltage less than 8 volts. You can also drag and drop any column header up to the top to view the reports based on that column header. In this example, I've dragged and dropped the update rate into the top so I can sort all the devices by their update rate. So after you have your report created the way that you want, you can export that report to an Excel spreadsheet. For more information about the AMS Wireless Snap-On, go to emersonprocess.com and search on AMS Suite.